To another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change your password of Ace Crypto account. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. Now, find and open Ace application on your device. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, at the top right corner of your screen, you can see 3 lines. Click on it and you will find Settings tab there. Click on the Settings tab. After that, you can see Change Password button. But the account settings is locked. You need your password to unlock these account settings. Click on Tap to unlock account settings option. After that, type in your password on this field here. After typing it, click on Submit button. Now you can click on Change Password button. Type in the new password here. Make sure that you have at least 10 characters, 1 uppercase and 1 lowercase letter, and must have at least 1 number. Now you need to type in the password again on the second field here. After that, the password has been changed. Now click on OK button. So that is how you can change your password on Ace Crypto account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.